Welcome back to my channel. To make a fruit tree more productive, we usually apply fertilizer. However, if you don't know which fertilizer to use, in which season, at what rate, and how to apply it, you won't get the full return on your hard work. With the techniques I will share in this video, you can be sure that you will become an expert in fruit tree fertilization. Now let's see how these processes are done, and let's watch it together. The timing for fertilizing a fruit tree can vary depending on the climate of the geographical region, soil type, fertilizer type, and even the plant species and variety. The most important point, however, is that fertilizing once a year is completely sufficient. In regions with hot and dry climate conditions, fertilization should be done in autumn. In rainy, mild regions or areas with harsh winters, it should be done around March or April. How should we apply fertilizer to fruit trees? For the first 3 to 4 years, we should apply fertilizer in a circular pattern according to the projection of our tree's longest branch tips, meaning by marking directly beneath the outermost branch, walk around the tree, take the measurement, and dig a circular trench. If this tree were past 3 or 4 years old, the tips of its branches would have spread over a wider area. After 4 years of age, if we continue doing this based on branch projection, this circle will keep expanding. Therefore, for fruit trees over 4 years old, it is enough to limit the radius of the fertilizer trench to maximum of 75 centimeters. For example, while the projection of an old tree might extend much further, we will cap the radius at 75 centimeters. Now, let's dig our trench, approximately 10 centimeters deep and 10 centimeters wide. By the way, absolutely do not hoe or till the base of your tree. If you are thinking, let's hoe here to aerate the soil, this is a mistake. You will only encourage new weeds to grow there. And that does nothing but drain your tree's energy. Since the tree's capillary roots extend underground as far as the upper branch distance, the correct procedure is to apply fertilizer right over these capillary roots. Absolutely do not hoe these areas. You should perform this exact same process for your potted lemon tree as well. Dig the trench according to its projection, apply the fertilizer, and if necessary, move it to a larger pot. We do this in autumn in dry places with a low rainfall, and in spring in places with heavy rainfall. Why do we do it in autumn in low rainfall areas? We place well-rotted animal manure into a trench and cover it up. Over time, it transforms into a form that soil can accept. Since there is no heavy rainfall, the fertilizer we applied waits until spring. Until the sap starts rising in our tree, whenever it begins to sprout and we water it, that is exactly when the fertilizer starts releasing its minerals to the tree. If we perform the fertilization process in autumn in rainy regions, the fertilizer releases its mineral into the soil before the tree sprouts. But since it is not the time for the sap to rise, the tree cannot benefit much from it. That is why we apply fertilizer in spring in rainy regions, so that when the tree begins to sprout, meaning when the sap starts rising, it can fully benefit from the fertilizer. By the way, we apply a maximum of 2 kilos of well-rotted animal manure per sapling. After throwing it in the fertilizer, we cover it with the soil again. Our fertilization process is complete. Now, what is the biggest mistake made when watering a fruit tree? Let's watch how the correct watering should be done. We absolutely do not water from the very base of the sapling. It provides very little benefit to our tree. Since our fertilizer and capillary roots are located along the outer projection, the tree will absorb water best from these areas. If you water right from the base, it will rot the trunk. If you are going to use a drip irrigation system, it is best to set up the drip line right over the fertilizer like this. This way, the water will reach the tree directly with rich minerals thanks to the roots, and weeds will not develop at the base of the trunk. If you are not using a drip irrigation system, you can achieve correct watering by directly pouring water over the fertilizer area like this. It will be completely enough to fertilize the trees you grow at home or on the balcony once a year as well. Since you water your household fruit saplings constantly, you will get better efficiency if you perform the fertilization process once a year in spring. One of the most important things to know is this: do not prune a fruit tree immediately after applying fertilizer. Wait at least 1 to 1.5 months and then do the pruning. Since I haven't fertilized this sapling yet, I can easily prune it right now. However, I have just recently fertilized this apricot sapling, therefore I will prune it after waiting for about 1.5 to 2 months. If I prune without waiting, my tree will produce water sprouts. What we call water sprouts are those branches that point directly upward like a pointing finger. They waste our tree's energy. To avoid this problem, pay close attention to the time that needs to pass before or after fertilizing. Do not apply a fertilizer immediately after pruning either again. Wait about 1.5 to 2 months and then apply fertilizer. You must give your tree time for its wounds to heal. There are so many people who say, I know how to prune, but end up pruning incorrectly. Be sure to watch my upcoming pruning video that I will release soon. Learn how the correct pruning is done, how to increase tree yield, and discover very simple and effective details. We have reached the end of another video. Please share this video so everyone can see it, and leave a comment below, at least write some feedback like a simple thank you or a suggestion. If you liked the video, click the like button, and if you are new to my channel, you can subscribe for free to support it. If you want to be the first to know about new videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in my next videos.